Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can download GTA San Andreas on your Windows computer. First, go to your web browser, search for GTA San Andreas and then click the first result. Now from here you have this option, buy now, press this option and then you will see this will convert to GTA Trilogy. Don't worry, this is the latest version. This is the Vice City, GTA 3, GTA San Andreas combination. Now choose your platform. This is PC, buy now. And after that they will ask you to log into your Rockstar account. Just log in, and if you don't have an account, create one. And then it will ask you to choose your payment. Choose the one you want. Accept, and then you need to confirm. Once you confirm it, then you will be redirected to play the game. Basically Rockstar will redirect you to download another software which is called Social Club, and then you will be able to play these games on your Windows computer. So basically this is how you play GTA San Andreas on your computer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.